Pretty listening right from dictation. It is the last listening task. It has only 3 to 4 questions but contributes a huge score, 30 to 35% to two skills, listening and writing. In this task, after listening to a sentence, you need to type the sentence into the response box on the screen. For example,
more research is needed before any definitive conclusion is drawn.
you cannot replay the audio. There is no separate time for this particular task. Within 8 listening question types, the first task, summarize spoken text, is the only one that has 10 minutes allowed for each question. So, be aware of the time. For 3 to 4 sentences of reference dictation, there should be 5 to 7 minutes left. For this last task of your test, you will be given partial credit to listening and writing skills for each correct word spelled correctly. In both reference dictation and repeat sentence, you are required to listen to one sentence at a time and reproduce that sentence in a needed form. So, these two tests share some tips and tricks in common. Check out other videos to figure out what strategies can help maximize your scores. Enjoy your study.